Jeopardy. Danger or risk of harm. The storm put the boat in jeopardy. His careless driving put lives in jeopardy. Time served. Having a lot of experience after working for many years. He is a time-served carpenter with many skills. The time-served mechanic fixed the car quickly. Dismay. A feeling of shock, sadness, or disappointment. She looked in dismay at the broken ways. We watched in dismay as the cake fell. Zest. Great enthusiasm, energy, or excitement. He danced with zest at the party. She spoke with zest about her hobby. Gullible. Easily fooled or tricked by others. Scammers often target gullible people. Don't be gullible when strangers make promises. Endeavor. A serious effort to achieve something. Starting a business was a big endeavor. Learning English is a worthwhile endeavor. Resilient. Able to recover quickly from problems or difficulties. The resilient athlete returned after an injury. Children are often very resilient. naive, innocent, and lacking experience about how things work. The young traveler was a little naive. She was naive when she started her first job. Lenient, not strict. Our coach is strict, but sometimes lenient. She is lenient when employees make small mistakes.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!